Nothing to me says spring more than daffodils. A few of the reasons they're so popular is, well, because deer will not eat them and the bulbs will multiply over time. However, a single bulb will eventually turn into a big clump that needs thinning or dividing every 10 years to prevent overcrowding. Once the flowers have faded or are waning, you can begin to think about dividing your daffodils all the way to the point when the foliage turns yellow. These are my go-to tools when I'm dividing. I like a knee pad, it's easy on the knees, long trowel, and a soil knife. The ground around Moss Mountain Farm is a clay-based soil, but it's also full of rock, so I need something that can handle serious wear and tear while being comfortable to use. So I use this long-handled trowel to get the first group up, and you can see the bulbs kind of fall apart nicely, like this. Then I take the soil knife, and if I want to cut around and dig some more up, it makes it really easy, like that. You can see these individual bulbs really need to be separated. Now when I replant them, I can use the soil knife for just digging a nice hole like that, taking the daffodil bulb, placing it in, bringing the soil back up around it. Any task is achievable, if not downright easy, if you've got the right tools for the job.